Guys, there is another new airdrop which is called the Fatty, and they are here selling their pre-sale, and this is their actual price for now, and this is their final price for now. So they are doing their airdrop on this on Zeli, and you want to join in right now. It's a play to earn mem mem games. So I don't know, it's on Play Store and which is coming soon. So that is their use cases. And this is you can go into eat, exercise, bath, and sleep while in the game. So they are even have a fat bot that you can use to snipe memes. So those are the utilities they are developing. I think this is for them to back up their coins. Okay, and they recommend videos, the revenue share. Okay, this is the party holder receive 50% of the fat revenue paid in ETH or SOL. The staking for staking 90-day lock period reward, and also we add this. So I think this is a good project, and for the tokenomics they add a 40% of pre-sale. For the VC, this one for the team, for those in liquidity, the staking, this is the for the in-game reward, the beta testing rewards. Okay, and they have this marketing, this for advisor, and this for the high deals. So already they have their own character for this. Okay, and keep him happy, hunger fun, something like that one. And for the trading booth, their trading booth is going to have the fattest trading, auto sniping, anti-rock, scam protecting, copy trading analysis, something like that one. So that is how, and you can go there and read their roadmap themselves. They started maybe in 2023, and now they are in 2024, which is in, they are now in Q3. Oh, are we in Q3? Q3. No, it's Q4. I think we are now in Q3 though. So I think they are going to launch probably test to end, public testing, something like that stuff. So they are still in pre-sale. So if you want to buy their pre-sale, you can just go to their website and buy pre-sale if you want. So payment method, they have the ETH on Ethereum, this one on Ethereum, and you can even use your card to buy this. But for me, if you want to buy like easily, you can buy using the USDC on Arbitrum or using the Arbitrum itself, and they're almost done with this pre-sale. They even have the BNB. I don't even know the minimum one. So that I thought we want to use USDC. We want to buy, let me see, 10 USDC. This is 5 of these. Okay, so and that is it. So without further ado, let us proceed for the quest. We have this watching a funny trailer on YouTube. I always do that. We have the fatty white paper. You can go read the white paper and then continue. That tax is not too much. Some can be too much too. So we have this roadmap. I've read the roadmap now. Then the roadmap. Token. Okay. And also make sure you check the community. This is their Twitter pages, and this is their followers. They are verified, so I would like to follow them also. So you can read about them here. I think they have a good thing. Like this project might be cooking something though. So subscribe to their channel, follow this one. So we have to drop a lot of screenshots here. Um, so let's subscribe, and is there you can screenshots? Okay, I think we can screenshot using this. Oh, it is not working. So let me just print okay. Let me just use my snippet tools to capture it. So let me just name this one, and we upload. After uploading, we playing. So go to the next quest, which is following them on Instagram. Let me open my Instagram. Then I'm going to do this rough one. So okay. Next quest is following them on TikTok page. So you follow them, you screenshot. So that is how you are going to do till you get to the end of this. You should have to follow them on mediums, on arts, sort of like that. So this one reviews. We have the medium. So let us follow the medium and post proof. Post proof. So that is how you are going to do till you finish this. So we have the YouTube trailer. I think this is almost like 12 of this. So already your sneaky tools. So they say you should like this one. So yeah. So we have another one. Post about Fatty. Create a post about Fatty. So Fatty and a market cap. So that's how you're going to complete this one. The link to this will be inside the description below. So without further ado, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.